Your hot water is heated directly when you open any hot tap in the system, and your heating is controlled by your heating programmer. The heating programmer allows you to set different time periods for your central heating to suit your lifestyle. To operate the unit, pull down the cover. You can set the program times and adjust the settings by pressing the green Set button. Here you have the option of setting the heating on and off, setting a holiday mode, or adjust default settings such as time and date or contrast. In this mode, the buttons operate as plus, minus, enter, and copy. For each day there are 3 time periods where the program will be on, typically morning, afternoon, and evening. In the menu, move up and down until you reach the program you want to set and press enter. You will now be able to set the program for each day of the week using plus and minus to navigate through the days. Press enter on the day you want to change. You will now be presented with 3 time periods. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the first period you want the heating to come on. Then press enter. Next, set the time you want the program to turn off and press enter. If you do not want to use all 3 time periods, you can set the on and off period to be the same time, as we have done here with period 2. This effectively skips this period. Once you have set all 3 time periods, you will be shown the next day. You can either press enter and adjust the 3 time periods manually for the next day, or press copy and your previously adjusted day will be copied to the next day. Once you have set all the days, you can press set and it will navigate you to the main menu, where you can adjust more programs or set other functions. The holiday mode allows you to suspend the program function for the days while you are away from home, resuming normal operation on your return. Simply choose Set Holiday Mode and press Enter. Then set the day you want the holiday period to start and the day you want it to finish. Your normal operation will resume at midday on the date of your return. To set defaults, choose it from the main menu and press Enter. Here you can adjust the time and date, adjusting the time, then the day, month and year. It is worth noting that the program has a factory set clock and calendar, which means that no adjustment should be necessary to the time of day, and any British summertime or GMT time changes will take place automatically. The clock options give you the choice between 24-hour clock and AM/PM. Screen contrast allows you to adjust the contrast on the display, and headings allows you to change the headings on the main display. When you have finished with the main menu, press Set and you can return to the main display. Here you can see the time, day of the week and date, and the current program for your heating. To toggle between programs, press the corresponding blue Select button. You can choose between Auto, where the programmer follows the 3 program time periods on and off, All Day, where the programmer will operate the first on period until the last off period. For example here, if the programmer was set to all day, it would come on at 6:30 AM and stay on until 10:30 PM. On, where the programmer will stay permanently on, and off, where it will remain constantly off. However, you can still use the boost button. You can use the advance and boost buttons to adjust the programs. Simply press the boost button 1 for 1 extra hour of heating, press it again for 2 hours, or press a 3rd time to cancel the boost. Advance is a function where you can jump forward to the next time period early. Here we can see that it is 3:59 PM and the heating is currently off until 4:30 PM. If we press the Advance button, it skips ahead to this next setting and will remain on until 10:30 PM, which is the next program time. Should any of these functions not work and you need to reset the programmer, you can simply do this by pressing the Advance and Select buttons. Once you've set your heating, you can control the temperature via your thermostats and further tailor each room using the radiator valves. For more information relating to your heating programmer, please consult your user manual.